Munene wa Maminista Musalia Mudavadi easya mauwau amwe ta Ebola methiawa mavitite mivaka ya nthi na maitonya kuthinikiwa ni Nthi Imwe yiyoka. Mudavadi niwakulya Kenya mavingwe kiliko na kwona vata wa ngwatanio nthini wa kukitana wa Ebola aitungia muvea nthi ya America nundu wa kwatiania na nthi ya Kenya kuuthinikia kwaka kwa vakenya nyumba ya kuvatha ala meokwatikana na uno kavilini ukutwelesya.
Nene ata thini ta kutania miaka 250 kuma nthi ya Amerika ya kwatawi yathi. Munene wa Maminista Musalia Mudavadi nwasya kana Uwau wa Ebola numinite na kwikithwa ni muvea wa witi wa nthi on the World Health Organization kana WHO tamuisio munene na vata wa ngwatanio ya kukitana na Uwau.
It is important to note that the outbreak of the Ebola virus disease has been declared a public health emergency of international concern by the World Health Organization and a continental emergency by the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Evidently, such pandemics transcend borders and cannot be effectively contained by any state acting alone. We must therefore embrace collective action over isolationism and narrow nationalism. We thank the United States for partnering with Kenya in our national response to the disease.
Minister wa maundu ma nthi cia nza ingini wawetaka na Kenya yende ya kwithwa ngwatanio na nthi cia Amerika kwisila wigwano ula wikiwe sai mwaka muvitu wa kutethesya maundu ma witi na muno kwiyumbanisya mauwau ta wa Ebola.
Kenya values mutually beneficial partnerships with the United States, particularly under the Health Cooperation Framework signed in 2025. That advances Kenya's healthcare agenda and strengthens preparedness for global health emergencies.
Okavindani kaunti ya Amerika itania miaka 250 kuma ya kwatawi yathi na yonthi ya Kenya i mwakani wa 1932 kuma ya kwatawi yathi. Mudavadi nwawetaka na nthi ya Kenya taikutwaisya usakwani wawo na umilu mwakani twendete.
Today the United States celebrates a significant experience of 250 years of self-rule and democratic governance. Kenya, now 62 years after independence, values the opportunity for shared learning to advance our national development and democratic journey. Kenya remains committed to its constitutional principle of holding free, fair, and on-schedule elections. Accordingly, as we approach the 2027 elections, this year's budget provides increased allocation to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. The electoral body has engaged in enhanced continuous voter registration and voter education to ensure a credible and inclusive election.
Ngilivoti ya bilingwa mauvo netawa Susan Kavili.